Well, this is the front motor to the electric trike. Going through and tightening up the spokes a little bit. For me, two wheeling it, riding it side to side, you can see the spokes are loose. So that's the next mission. Have to kind of take the forks apart to be able to get this thing off. Got the chain and axle realigned. Still have slippage on the sprocket. Gonna have to drill that out of self-tapper. Thank you for checking this out, KC Bikes. Please watch for more videos on repairs and upgrades on electric trike Gumby. Please like and subscribe.